Hey you guys, it's Catherine Votberg from thecatherinejoy.com, and I'm so excited to be coming to you today with 10 hacks to keep your bathroom clean and organized on a budget. I don't know about you, but my bathroom was a total war zone before I started applying these simple systems that make it easier to keep your bathroom clean than actually allow it to get dirty. And I did this total revamp on my bathroom for only $20. Now I only deep clean my bathroom once a month, and the rest of the time it looks like this. Here are those hacks. Number one, wash your sink and mirror every single night or morning. It keeps stuff from building up and it keeps your bathroom looking beautiful all of the time. Use those command hooks to hang Norwex rags inside your bathroom cupboard. They have a bacteria fighting agent in them, so I only have to wash them once a month. They dry super fast, so they'll be ready the next morning and you don't have to use any sprays or chemicals. Declutter your counter. If you're gonna wash down your sink and mirror every night, you need to make it really easy for yourself. So hack number 2 is really more than advice than a hack, but you don't need that baggage in your life. So one thing I hated about my bathroom was pulling out my hairdryer or my curling iron and have the cord drag out all kinds of other things from the cupboard with it. The other thing was, it was really hard to remember to put my curling iron away because I had to leave it out to cool before I could put it away. Hack number 3. Stick some command hooks on the inside of your cupboard and hang your hot tools. It stays totally organized, and the command hooks actually keep them super secure so that they aren't banging on the door when you open and close it. I grew up in a family with 11 kids and we were always running out of toilet paper. This kept me awake till 3 o'clock in the morning, but I finally hit on an idea that totally works. Write a big fat X on the roll that you want to be your signal roll. So once that X gets pulled, the puller notifies me, and then the toilet paper gets restocked or it goes on the shopping list. Hack number 5, put all your sprays and cleaners on a Lazy Susan. It makes them very easy to access and it keeps them organized. Have a drop spot. So most of us don't take off our clothes until we're in the bathroom and ready to shower, and then they go in a pile on the floor. It's not fun to wake up to dirty clothes on your bathroom floor. So instead of telling myself I need to be more disciplined, I worked with my habit. If you work with your habits, the system actually stays in place. Now this super cute bin catches all of our dirty clothes and it totally camouflages my laziness until I get around to dealing with it. Find a creative way to hang your hand towels if you're not someone that's going to fold them neatly every time you put them back. My husband is a hand towel stuffer and I don't really like folding them myself, so you can buy some of these that are already made, or I got scrap fabric and a hot glue gun and made a towel holder like I did right here. If you have limited space or a budget, you don't want to waste time chasing your stud earrings around. I would lose them all the time until I found this hack. Use a vitamin container to store your studs. The awesome part is I travel all the time and it's really easy to just snap up and transfer. My next hack is really just a budgeting tip, and that is recycle containers. I love using this little Altoid can to store my bobby pins and my nail clippers. It's super functional, and when I'm ready to go, again, I just close it up and pop it in my purse. If you're like me and you have a little crawler crawling around the house, then you kind of don't want to keep yucky things on the floor of your toilet. So I love to use a bottle scrubber actually as a toilet bowl scrubber. When you're done, you just pop it in a canning jar and I place it underneath my sink. My last tip for you guys today is one of my favorites for budgeting. Reuse cardboard containers. As you can see here, I've used cardboard containers and then I just spray painted them white in order to make them look prettier. I use lasagna containers, wheat thin boxes, anything I'm throwing out, I recycle them. And if I really like the system that I create, I actually go out and purchase drawer organizers. But this is a cheap way to quickly organize and systematize your house. Thank you so much for watching. If this was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I have a new video coming out every Thursday. Thanks, bye.